Canada versus Australia. Well, yes. Today we're going to talk about which country is better for international student, Canada or Australia. Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka. Welcome back to the another video of Touch Abroad और आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ एक और video and this time we're gonna do comparison between Canada or Australia. Without doing any waste of time, I request to subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the notification bell so that you guys can stay updated. तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं कि कौन सी इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कंट्री अच्छी है, कनाडा और ऑस्ट्रेलिया। वेल दोनों कंट्रीज़ के अपने अपने बेनिफिट्स हैं और कुछ ना कुछ बेनिफिट्स स्टूडेंट्स टू स्टूडेंट वेरी करते भी है। लेकिन आज हम जर्नल बेसिस पे बात करेंगे कि कनाडा को क्यों सिलेक्ट करें हम ओवर ऑस्ट्रेलिया। रीज़न नंबर वन, आप कनाडा के अंदर कॉलेजेस में भी अगर एडमिशन लेते हैं तो आपके लिए इक्वली एक्सेप्टेबल है ओवर यूनिवर्सिटीज़। नो डाउट यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैज़ मोर वैल्यू बट इन कनाडा बोथ आर इक्वलेंट। बट अगर आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया में पढ़ना जाना चाहते हो तो आपको यूनिवर्सिटी में ही जाना होगा, ओनली देन यू कैन गेट द वीज़ा बिकॉज कॉलेजेस वहाँ पे एक रूम के साइज़ के होते हैं और वो इनफ फैसिलिटीज स्टूडेंट्स को प्रोवाइड नहीं करते। नंबर टू रीज़न, आपको अगर ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाना है तो आपको मास्टर्स डिग्री या बैचलर्स डिग्री में ही जाना होगा। यू कैन नॉट गो फॉर अ डिप्लोमा, दैट मीन्स यू कैन नॉट गो फॉर अ शॉर्ट टर्म कोर्स। बट इन कैनेडा you can get admission in diploma or PGDM and it has equivalent value with a bachelor's degree and diploma or master's degree in Canada. So that is the second difference. So you can select Canada over if you wanted to go for a diploma or a PGDM only. Next reason is about expense. Well, in Canada, you have to pay approximately 12.5 lakh rupees as a GIC that you will get back from the Canada while living in Canada as your expense. And rest you have to pay the fees approximately 9 to 10 lakh rupees for a 1 year. And rest are some other expenses that you have to bear. But in case of Australia, you have to pay 6 semester fees that will cost you around 9 to 10 lakh rupees, or you have to show funds around 30 to 40 lakh rupees. So that is another difference. So you can select over in that case also Canada over Australia if we do the comparison on the basis of expenses. Next, move to the point of PR. Well, even in the current situation, Canada gives PR to more people as compared to Australia, and it is easier to get permanent residence in Canada over Australia. That everybody knows that. The last point is about immigration attitude. Well, Canada immigration has been always been proved more supportive with international students as compared to Australia. Everybody know that Australian immigration system is very strict with the students and they change their rules very fastly, and students wait for months to get results for their visas. But if we do comparison on that ground with Canada, Canadian immigration system is more in favor with international students. So these are the basic difference on which basis you can select Canada over Australia, or you can select Australia even if you find it more suitable for you. The last reason for selecting any country for any international student is the circle, the people. Whenever we select a country, we find some people that should live in there that you know, and that is a factor that affects your decision. So that is all for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. Also subscribe our YouTube channel, and to get admission in public college or university, you can get in touch with our counselors and get free of cost counseling and get offer letter in 24 hours and also refund of offer letter fees. We provide multiple benefits to our client. If you wanted to take the benefit, just give us a call on the given number. That is all for today's video. If you wanted to apply, you can contact us. If you have any query, you can comment down, and please share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.